We have a pretty cool video for you guys today. We have a electric ratchet wrench from Ryobi. I bought this to try to speed up the process for the delete kit here soon. So we're gonna open this bad boy up on camera, test it on like a bolt or two. It's really cold here in Idaho, so I kind of want to hurry this up. But let's get to opening. Okay, so there's the ratchet. We have a couple different bits because this came with the adapter for 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. So we got one of the higher models that you could get for one of these. Oh wow, it's really cold. All right, so there's a screw there. Oh, okay. I don't have a screwdriver on me. We're gonna save that for later. So it feels really good. Let's go try it on a bolt. It is a good thing that we bought the one that allows you to have 1/4 inch or 3/8, because the only 10mm I could find is in 1/4 inch, and it's way too cold to keep digging. So we're gonna try this out. Should work. If I got the right one. No, is this? Okay, yeah, it is a 10mm. That's the easiest thing I've ever done. Wow. I wish I had this a long time ago. Oh my lord. Okay. So you could also turn the head like that. So we're going to try putting it back in. Overall, I really like this tool, and I think it's going to help any project I have coming up just speed it up by a ton.